Don't start barking.
I need to talk to you. Huh? I told Rula and I feel like I trust you.
For what? For what? Kako popasatile?
I'm a lesbian.
What you talking about?
Wait! Oh my god, I'm freaking dying! Oh, she's pulling her hair out of her. Look at her hair. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, I think I'm gonna. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god. Oh my. I think. What? She just had a freaking heart attack. Well, the acting was pretty good. I'm hiding my face under the cover. Oh. Oh. I think. Okay, she's gonna have a heart attack now. Angel had her. Okay.
I'm sorry.